I'll tell you one of the best antivirus for Windows 11. I will also tell you, is Windows Defender enough for Windows 11? And you will be able to learn how to update Windows Defender on Windows 11. Because if you update your Windows Defender on Windows 11, it will be very good practice. So the very first thing is Windows Defender is enough for Windows 11 computer for day-to-day work. If you're using your laptop or a desktop for your school, work, payments, or online transactions and everything, I would say definitely. Windows Defender, let me just open it. So please make sure you have all the Windows updates installed in your computer, and you should have all the green check marks in your Windows security, and you have absolutely safe and secured. People who want to install third-party software, I have one software for them through which they can protect their computer, but that is not even necessary because if you have a updated Windows 11 and you update your computer time to time, then it is really very good. So here, how to update your Windows Defender, Windows Security is just going to Virus and Threat Protection. And here, you just need to scroll down. You can do a full scan here. Let me just go back. I'll let you know how we can do that. So once you open your Windows Security, it will open up like this. And here, you just need to do a double click on this. And you will see the Virus and Threat Protection Quick Scan. So instead of doing a quick scan, I would recommend to go to Scan Options and do a full scan. So that will take time. That might take 1 hour, might take 15 minutes, might take 5 minutes. Depends on your computer and the hard drive. Once this is done, go back. And here we have this Virus and Threat Protection Updates. Security Intelligence is up to date. Last update is today itself. So here, if you do not see like this, you just need to click on this Protection Updates. The moment you do so, you will see version created and last update. So you just need to click on check for updates. And if it is a older version, if you have the old Windows security, it will be updated to the latest version. Once you do that, you're also scanning your computer and you're good to go. Even if you want an extra added protection, which is actually not recommended, but there are few people who want extra security in their computer. So for them, you can use Kaspersky. You can visit kaspersky.com website, or you can download Norton 360. So these are the two antivirus programs which I would recommend. Being an IT person for working for almost 15 to 16 years, I can recommend these two security software, Kaspersky and Norton 360. So you can install that. And I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. If you have any query, any concern, any problem, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to fix your problem. And guys, if this tutorial is helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next tutorial.